So in behind the, so about what, half an inch, a centimetre behind the gill is where I'm going to start my cut towards the head at an angle until I hit the spine. Once I've gotten to the spine, I can then turn my knife around. I lie my hand on there as support, and then I'm just going to, with a bendy knife, go along the spine, cutting out. Taking as much meat as possible and just going along the spine, so you don't want to go through the spine to the other side. There, one side done. I'll do the other side. So behind the fin and the gill, towards the spine, at an angle. Turn the knife around and then work from the head to the tail. Hopefully not going through the spine. So there I have my fish with as little flesh on it as possible, but you can see all these little bones sticking out that we don't want. So that will probably be composted. Now it's a bit difficult with these because they're so small, is to get it all the first time. So I've got little bones here that are sticking out. So I'm just going to basically do the same thing but in reverse. Just going between the bones and the flesh. A little bit the same thing up here. Now all that's left for me is to take the tweezers and take out the sort of the middle bones. I don't know what their official name is, but and you can feel that by rubbing your finger down towards the tail. There, fillet number one. Give it a bit of a rinse under cold water. There we go. And we want to do the same to the other one. So on a bigger fish, you can get all these off quite easily the first time. But on this one, I didn't quite get it. Such small, tiny little mean bones. But beautiful. I highly recommend not rushing the deboning stage, because there's nothing more disappointing when eating a nice fish. You get bones stuck in your teeth. So it's really worth getting them all out. There we go. You continually rinse your boards and your equipment, because the cleaner you work, the less stress you'll have doing it.